In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to crack your back. I'm Regular Wedding Singer. I'm your alternative health guru. Like always, please consult your local professional. Let's begin. First of all, you need a pillow and fold it like this. And then place it on the floor and sit on it. This will create a leverage for you to fold your legs easily. And then with your other hand, hold it on the other side, crossing over. And then with your other hand, use it as a balance on your tippy finger on the floor, like this. And then you twist. You pull with your hand and twist again. To get a deeper stretch, you breathe out. And then on the third time, you breathe out, and then for the crack, you overstretch it by using your momentum and twisting this way, like so. Same for the other side. Hold, cross over your knee, hand together, and then you use your hand and pull and twist that way. And then breathe out for the deeper stretch, deeper twist. And then for the crack, you breathe out, twist, and use momentum for the crack. Okay, please consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor, or your mom. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.